Imagine this. You're stuck in traffic, late for a meeting, hands locked on the wheel. Yet you simply think, call Sarah, and the call connects instantly. You think, lower the AC, and your smart thermostat obeys. You think, play jazz playlist, and your earbuds respond without a single tap. Voice command or gesture, just pure thought turning into action. This is no longer science fiction, but the rapidly approaching reality of brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, where your smartphone becomes an extension of your mind. At the heart of this revolution lies your brain, a supercomputer with 86 billion neurons, 100 trillion synapses, and electrical impulses racing at up to 120 meters per second. Every decision, memory, and movement is an electrochemical symphony that scientists have been reading for nearly a century. It began in 1924 when Hans Berger invented the electroencephalogram, EEG, a crude cap of electrodes that scribbled brainwaves onto paper, proving that neural activity could be measured. By the 1990s, invasive implants allowed monkeys to play Pong with their minds alone, and in 2006, the BrainGate system enabled paralyzed patients to move cursors purely by thought. Then came Neuralink in 2019, a coin-sized device with 3,072 ultra-thin flexible polymer electrodes, 10 times more than competitors, inserted by a surgical robot in a 30-minute outpatient procedure, wirelessly streaming data to your phone with no visible scars. In 2024, human trials saw quadriplegic individuals typing 90 characters per minute using thought alone, transforming lab experiments into life-changing tools. Neuralink's pipeline is elegant. Neurons fire, electrodes capture the spikes, artificial intelligence filters noise and decodes intent with 98% accuracy, and your phone executes the command, whether swiping left on a dating app or snapping a perfectly focused photo. You won't even need surgery to start. By 2025-2027, external EEG headbands like Muse or NextMind will pair with your phone via Bluetooth, letting you scroll TikTok by focusing or raise music volume with a mental nudge. By 2027-2030, hybrid systems will blend implants with phones, so thinking take a photo activates the camera in perfect sync. By 2030 and beyond, a neural cloud could store your thoughts like files, letting you recall memories, share dreams with consent, or download calculus in 10 minutes. The applications are staggering, texting 5 times faster than typing, gaming without controllers, restoring independence to the paralyzed, detecting seizures or depression in real time, and democratizing creativity as you imagine a melody and AI composes the full symphony. A deaf artist, for instance, could hear music as pulsing colors sync to rhythm through visual brain feedback. Yet every revolution casts shadows. Your thoughts are data. Who owns them? Advertisers could target your subconscious. You think I'm hungry and pizza ads appear before you. Speak. Brain hacking could lock your motor cortex like ransomware, and at 100,000 plus per implant, thought speed risks becoming a privilege of the elite, widening inequality as BCI users soar in productivity while others fall behind. By 2035, we may see a thought economy with neural UX designers, thought ethicists and memory editors, dating apps where you swipe right with your mind, education revolutionized by instant knowledge uploads. By 2040, the merge could birth a new human AI species, rendering phones obsolete as your mind becomes the interface. A child born in 2030 might learn to read with thought at age 5, compose symphonies by imagining at 12, and upload consciousness to the cloud at 18. The last frontier is not space, it's your skull. Neuralink, wearable EEG, and AI are converging to make your thoughts the most powerful input device in history. The question is no longer if your phone can read your mind, but when, and whether we will use this power to free the paralyzed, amplify creativity, or sell our souls one thought at a time. Next time you pick up your phone, ask yourself, who's really in control?